Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today I have another quick, short, and sweet video for you all. I'm going to show you all how to create consistent characters with different races. Don't be confused. I'm going to show you what I mean. I did a video yesterday showing you all how to actually use the prompt guides to change the races, but today we're going to talk about changing the races to sell your images together but as a bundle, because let's face it, sometimes the things we sell, they may be geared to one person, but somebody else that we're not aiming to sell to would like to buy what we're selling as well. And I've had several people of different races who wanted to buy my stuff, but for instance, it was a white lady. She wanted to buy my some of my clip art, but it was only African American, and she asked me, did I have any for white people? And I told her no. So I'm going to show you all how to create some bundles so that you can pacify all customers and not just your target. You can lead towards your topic audience, but you can also have a few little crumbs left in there for somebody else. So you don't have to steer away from your target, but you can have some little paths for other people to come along and say, hey, I could use this myself. So I'm going to show you all how to accomplish this, and it's very easy. I basically showed you how to do it in the previous video, so if you saw the video, you're going to be familiar with what I'm going to do, but if not, keep watching. Okay, I've opened my prompt guide, and I think I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to copy this prompt. Copy the prompt, then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm not going to go into any of the GPTs that I created myself. I'm not going to go into them. I'm just on regular ChatGPT. I'm going to paste that prompt, and I'm just going to create what the prompt says create. And this is a nice little hack to create the same character but change the skin. Okay, this is our female. So now we're going to click on this photo, and I'm simply going to type, she is Caucasian. And there we go. It did not give her the same outfit. The hair is the same, but it changed her outfit. Let me see if it... She is Mexican. Let's see what it does. And everything is the same except for it changed her outfit, but the picture itself is the same because we are going off of the main photo. Okay, it went back to the jacket this time. Okay, these are pretty much the same. Except for her, they just took her jacket off. So maybe if we redid it again, it will put the jacket back on her. She is Irish with red hair. Even the pucker of the lips is the same. And this is how you get consistency. You get the same thing, basically the same. A couple of them are changed a little, but you see what I'm saying. When you do your editing inside of the main image, it will keep the flow of the image and give you what you ask for. So I'm gonna go back to my prompt guide and copy it. Go out of here. I'm gonna paste that prompt. And as we know, AI is not perfect, so sometimes you have to do what you're trying to do a couple times before it starts to act the way you want it to, but keep going. Okay, we have this young lady. Now I'm going to say, change her race to Caucasian. Everything else stays the same. She's adorable, by the way. Okay, let's see what it gives us. Just turn a different way, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same photo. Let's see. She is Japanese. She's even wearing the same off-the-shoulder shirt with the pearl-like necklace. You can remove the backgrounds from these females and sell them as clip art. And because they're the same style, they'll sell good as a bundle. And here we go. She's Japanese. It's beautiful. Really pretty. And you can see it has the same essence as this one. Let's see if I can make her. She is Ethiopian. Oops. These images are really pretty. I love how there's a glow around their head. It's really pretty. Not really what I was thinking when I said Ethiopian. She has dark skin. She is from Nigeria. Still beautiful. The necklace has been changed and she has blue eyes this time. And like I said, it's AI, so there's gonna be a little... Well, the skin is very pretty, and it is darker than the first one. She's missing the shirt. Like this one's missing the shirt. If we compare the skin tones of the first one and her, I can say that it is darker. You could probably tell more if the hair was black. But yeah. Same images, same hairstyle. And yeah, you could bundle these, sell them as a bundle because it's pretty much the same. The background was really staying the same. You could keep the backgrounds and sell them with the backgrounds, but you have consistent styling to your images. Now I'm going to go back out of here and tell it, create again, create again. She is wearing a denim with a red Okay, she is wearing a denim jacket with a red halter top. Her hair is black. It's a pixie cut. And she's wearing gold jewelry. The setting is I changed the setting as well. So let's see what we get. And then I'm going to go back and see if we can create the same style, only changing her face. Now it gave us the skin tone I was looking for earlier. Okay. I don't like that background. Make the background more luxurious. Her skin is beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to click on her. And I'm going to say she is Mexican. Here we go. Now she is Caucasian. This is how you get your consistent images. Same type of background. You're just changing your main focal point. This way more people can get what they want because they see what they're looking for in the bundle. And like I said, do not forget your core audience, but you can have something in the background for somebody else as well. She is Brazilian, but I love the consistency. That's really, really nice. Okay, and there we go with a little consistency. She is Jamaican. And there we go. Alrighty. Now we have several images. The same image is just a different female. The backgrounds are pretty much the same. There is a little difference in the backgrounds, but you can see it's all the same. Everything is the same. So if you want to try this and try selling these images as bundles, feel free. This is how you get some consistency. Now, these are not consistent characters. I think when people want consistent characters, they want the same face. Exact same face, wearing different things. But this is the consistent style. This is how you get a more consistent style. So all you have to do is click on the picture and feed the information from here, and you're going to get the style of the picture that is right here. You're going to get the style once you type in right here. So they're going to take whatever picture. So if I went back to this picture and told it something, the picture that's generated would resemble this image. So that's a nice little thing that ChatGPT can do, if you weren't aware. But that's all I have for you all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you were taking notes or working along with me. And until next time, you all be blessed.